So good morning. This is my breakfast for today. I have eggs and brötchen. That's like a bread in Germany that people eat in the morning. So I have black tea with ginger, milk, and sugar. This is typical from Kenya, so that's what they cook in the morning. So I like sometimes just making it. I haven't drink it for so long, and I just decided I'll make some today. So this is my black tea with milk and ginger, a little bit sugar, and my bread and egg. So I'm going to take breakfast and later. Starting my day with my just simple breakfast and enjoying the view of my advent DIY advent wrap, which I made myself. Hey everybody, and welcome. It's time to take care of some errands at the moment. People are just parking so crazy. Yeah, I'm taking care of some errands right now, getting some few stuff, shopping, and then so yeah, as you know, Christmas is around the corner. Things are becoming more and more expensive each and every day. When you go shopping, you have to look around for what you are buying, how much you're spending. It's so crazy. Food, I don't know what people are going to eat anymore if things continue to be like this. Yeah, so yeah, I'm going shopping right now, and I've got a lot of things to take care of. It's crazy driving around here. Anyway, yeah, I have to see that I'm sewing that I finished that outfit today, and time is really rushing. I edited my video, and it's out already today, so I have to again edit another one this evening so that it can go maybe in next day out. Yeah, that's how things are right now. Always having some errands and some things to get finished. That's how when you are just working as a vlogger, as a YouTuber, and all this stuff. So I'm coming here to our new supermarket, which was being built up because they wanted something new. And yeah, I've been time now to see how they have expanded it. It's gone bigger, and yeah, I'm yet to see how looks like. So yeah, and I will now go in. So I am back home after shopping. So hi and welcome to my kitchen. Wow, don't I look cool, smart, cute? Okay, I like my style today. Well, so I went shopping. It's really cold and I decided to go today because tomorrow will be like today in the afternoon. They say today in the afternoon, in the evening it will be snowing, and I don't feel like driving on snow, so I decided to go shopping. And now I am back. I will show you what I shopped. This is my shopping for the week until next week for my food. Let me hold on and show you. So this is my shopping. I have vegetables, I have meat, I have salad, some German food for breakfast, bread, cheese, fresh cheese, onions, and lemons. I have honey, I have vanilla sauce, I have margarine, I have some sauce for this meat, I have some crabs, I have eggs, more cheese, some rosemary, coriander, my favorite snack. Wait, today I brought also another flavor. This flavor, salt with peanuts, and my normally lovely flavor. So I'm yet to test this one, how it tastes, and I hope it's good so that I can enjoy it. So yeah, I have green tea, which I've been drinking recently a lot. Yeah, and now I'm yet to cook my lunch, and I'm going to clean up away all the things, put them away, and then start cooking. And well, I have to call my parents right now and talk to them, because I do that every day. So yeah, it's time. I will see you later. So hi, and welcome back. Well, I want to change my sewing needle. Excuse me. I broke it last night while I was trying to finish this jacket. I hate when I break the, you see, it's broken. Oh my god, I need to change it. Yeah, and then I want to finish this outfit. I can't wait to finish it, because I don't really like sewing something for so long. I like when I start sewing something, I just finish it really quick. But I've been now and then sewing here and then, and I'm just tired of doing it, so I just want to finish this and continue with something different. So I need just to put the right needle and then continue sewing. That way I can finish this. It's just a little bit before it's done. Yeah, and I will see what kind of buttons I will put on. I have buttons, but I will see which ones they will fit with that. So that's my sewing machine. As you can see, I need to fix the needle. It was broken, so yesterday I was tired and I thought, okay, I'm not doing it, I will do it tomorrow. So that's why I'm doing it now. That way I can continue sewing and I'll finish this stuff. Okay, so yeah, oh my god, I have to start from the beginning. What was that? Oh, my sewing thread. Hello, why can't you just stay where you're supposed to stay? So yeah, I'm going to thread in and then we continue sewing. So that's the end of the video. Make sure you